Hello dear friends, nowadays we are celebrating many festivals like Navratri, Dasra, after that Diwali. In this festive season, we used to decorate our home. Today we are going to learn how to make beautiful toran at home with the help of different material. So let's do. Children, for this activity we require one stencil. What is the meaning of stencil? We are going to use one shape of flower which we have drawn and cut on the paper, and we are going to keep it on the paper and we are going to trace it from outside. So all the flowers whichever you will draw, that all will come in equal size. In the same way we have taken the stencil of leaf also. So children, directly I am doing with the sketch pen, but first you will draw with the pencil. Keep your finger here in the middle and then trace it from outside. So it will be easy for you to draw each and every flower in same way. And then in the middle we will draw one small circle. In the same way we will draw the remaining flowers also. We have to draw 6 flowers and 6 leaves. I have drawn these shapes of flowers and leaves with the help of these stencils. So all the flowers came in equal size as well as all the leaves also came in equal size. So now we are going to color these flowers and leaves. We are going to use shading technique. We have already learned this. By mixing two colors you can do the shading effect. So I will start with the first flower. Here I am using lemon yellow color and dark yellow to do the shading effect. Each and every flower we are going to color with different color shading technique. If you want you can color with one color also, means with yellow, shades of yellow. And now again I will take the light yellow and mix both the colors together. We have completed our first flower. In the same way the remaining flowers also I will color with different colors and different shades. See, in the same way I have completed the remaining flowers also. Now again I will repeat this yellow color here because all the dark colors are here. So again I will use the light color. I have used light blue, medium blue, I have used pink, red, orange, skin color, dark violet, light violet, many shades I have used. In the same way you will also color all those flowers with different colors. If you don't have light shade you can color full picture, full flower with dark color and use white color to do the shading effect. In that way also you can do, children, if you have less number of oil pastels. Now we are going to do coloring of these leaves. Here also we are using light green and dark green to do the shading effect. One I will show you here. In the same way we will complete the remaining also. Half of the portion you have to give light green and in the remaining half portion we are going to give dark green. And then we will take the light green and mix both the colors together. See children, we have finished the coloring of flowers and leaves. Now with the help of scissor we are going to cut all those leaves and flowers. See children, I have cut all the shapes of flowers and leaves. Now we are going to arrange on the golden paper or old wedding card, whatever material you are having available, and we are going to make a nice and beautiful toran. So let's start. Now I will stick these flowers. I have taken one golden paper. If you don't have like this paper, you can use old wedding card papers, and with the help of Fevicol I am going to stick these flowers. See, alternate I am taking one light, one dark color like this. First arrange it and then we will stick it. See, starting point and ending point I have taken the yellow color flower, and in between I have taken the multicolor flower. Press it properly, then it will get stick properly. Now we will stick those leaves behind that golden paper. See, it should like this. So we will apply glue here and we will keep this paper like this. So between two flowers you have to stick the leaves. See, if we will stick the leaf like this, it will not look good. That's why we are pasting it at the back side of that golden paper. So after pasting it, you have to press it properly because the paper is little bit stiff. When you will press it, it will get stick properly. See, after pasting it, you can decorate this toran in your own creative way. You can use different types of kundans. You can use like this pom-pom hangings if you have available at home. You can use like this bells. Even you can use liner. Different types of liner you can use, and you can decorate your toran. If you want to use this, you can apply the glue and you can paste it. Alternate also you can do. You can do border to these flowers with the help of these neon colors. If you have glitter at home, you can use glitter also to do this border. Enjoy toran making activity with your own creativity by using different colorful flowers and leaves. So make your festivals more beautiful and colorful with your own creativity. Thank you, dear children.